Number explorer. We are not going to the rocket like me, 55. And I'm 55 the creator. So I'm not gonna be a rocket like anyways. Okay. See you soon. We are building the rocket. We already built the rocket. Okay, let's go to space and explore Jupiter. Jupiter is kind of crazy. Not crazy. Alright, let's explore the space! What we want to hear method sound. What is this sound? Mattis?
Somebody's Mattis.
Europa. Wait, what?
Yeah, what?
That scared me.
Somebody Mattis. This sound goofy. What the heck? What the heck? This is
Pecan. I'm a chicken pecan. Next one is Antine. It sounds like po, 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 po.
A Serasa ajuda você a
Not
planejar sua
this.
vida.
Oh, dang it. Po, 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 po. Po, po. What? Next one is gonna be a bit crazy. The next one is Harpolite. No, not Harpolite.
No.
It's Karm. I know this.
Sound good.
The crazy moon sound. Harpolite. It sounds like emergency. Emergency. The next one is Elmolator. I don't want to hear that.
That's somebody reading too.
What is this boring sound? Shut up! No. I'm gonna do this. The next one is the crazy auto. Sounds like explosion! It sounds like a rocket falling down.
No, but yes.
Bruh, I missed out. Next one is letter. Yeah, that's same, right? Same, up line. That's amazing. Karm? Yeah, I heard that move. Next one, Meglet. Next one,